Danny, Robert McPake. Welcome to round 1 of the Winter Series at Clydebank BMX track in Scotland. I'll be racing 17 plus.
Okay, looks like we're good to go. Again, Thompson has got a great snap there. Straight over the first set of doubles, followed closely by Kia. Caroline in second, Davey moving up to the top of the back grab. On the third straight already, Scott Caroline quite a sizable lead. Some nice style over the big doubles there. Kia looking comfortable in second though. See if Davey can make up some ground through the rhythm section. Not that's the way it finishes. Scott, Kia, Davey, Rab and Mia onto the second rack of big gate drops. Davey gets a good snap there, but Scott going across. Well, it's a ding dong in the first corner. Davey could have closed the door there, but a little bit floating up on there, let's Sean. And so Scott got a lead there. Davey got on his heels though. Those clips working for him. Scott showing how you should take those big first straight doubles, keeping it nice and safe, conservative through the lips. Kenny. Race 15. Scott lets all the lunatics away, keeping it real on the flat pedals. Robert though, getting the hammers down. Making it look easy as he enters the third straight already. The battle's on though for second. Kenny and David just getting blown out of the way by Scott. I'm just using this photo as a bit of practice. Scott takes a second there, Robert, no mistakes for first. I think it was Kenny that got first by David.